Hey there, creative minds. Are you looking for ways to create jaw-dropping images without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. Welcome to AI with AZ, where we unlock the power of AI. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing. Today, I'm sharing my top 3 AI-powered tools that are free, or at least offer generous free tiers, to help you design stunning visuals in minutes. From super advanced models to user-friendly design suites, these tools have you covered. Stick around, because I'll also compare their strengths so you can choose the one that's perfect for your next project. First up is DALL-E 3, a text-to-image powerhouse from OpenAI. If you're an idea machine and love pushing creative boundaries, DALL-E 3 is your best friend. Its ability to interpret prompts with incredible detail is almost mind-blowing. Key features include limited free credits. You start with monthly free credits. Great for moderate usage. Impressive detail, known for highly detailed, imaginative, and often surreal outputs. Straightforward interface. Type your prompt, hit generate, and watch the magic happen. How to use DALL-E 3. Go to labs.openai.com and sign up or log in. Then enter your prompt. For example, a fairy tale castle floating in the clouds, pastel colors. Next, click generate. If you want to refine your results, add more style details like in the style of a watercolor painting. Lastly, pick your favorite image and save it. Done. DALL-E 3 excels at turning your wildest ideas into unique, high-quality art. If you want to push the boundaries of creativity, this is the tool for you. Second is Canva, perfect for those who need polished, ready-to-share visuals fast. Unlike DALL-E, which focuses on creating standalone images, Canva's AI feature is built right into a comprehensive design platform. So you can generate an image and instantly drop it into a YouTube thumbnail, Instagram story, or business flyer. No extra apps required. Key features: all-in-one design suite. Create a design, generate an AI image, add text or animations, all in one place. Another key feature is that it's beginner-friendly, with a simple drag-and-drop interface and thousands of templates. Finally, it supports real-time team collaboration, which is ideal for group projects or client work. How to use Canva. You have to sign up or log in to canva.com. It's free to get started. Then open the AI generator. Look for text-to-image or apps in the left panel. Next, enter a prompt, for instance, a futuristic city skyline at sunset. After generating, pick the image you like and customize it by adding text, shapes, or animations. To export, click on Download as PNG, JPG, or even MP4 if you added motion elements. For those who want quick, clean, and practical visuals, plus integrated design features, Canva's AI tool is a no-brainer. Finally, let's talk about Playground AI. This is a browser-based AI art generator that offers generous free usage, up to 1,000 images per day, depending on the plan, making it an excellent alternative if you're looking for unlimited or near unlimited free generation. Plus, it has a user-friendly interface that caters to both beginners and enthusiasts. Key features include lots of free generations. Unlike some other platforms, Playground AI lets you create a large number of images at no cost. Multiple models. Choose from different AI backends, like Stable Diffusion, for varied styles. Finally, it is easy to customize. Adjust parameters like aspect ratio, quality, or art style without much technical knowledge. How to use Playground AI. Head to playgroundai.com and sign up for a free account. Then select a model and style. You can pick from multiple models, templates, or art styles. Type your prompt. For instance, a fantasy city floating in the clouds, rendered in vibrant watercolor. Next, generate and fine-tune. If the image isn't right, adjust the style or add more descriptive terms. To download, click Save to keep your finished piece. With Playground AI's generous free tier, you can experiment to your heart's content, perfect for hobbyists and pros alike. Now, how do you pick the best one? Here's the quick breakdown. DALL-E 3, best for innovative, imaginative prompts and detailed outputs. Great if you like to push creative boundaries. Canva, best for practical designs, social media content, and quick turnarounds. Ideal if you want an all-in-one solution. Playground AI, generous free usage with multiple AI models and easy customization. Perfect if you need lots of variations or want to experiment extensively. Whether you need polished marketing visuals, whimsical concept art, or something in between, These 3 AI tools have you covered. And there you have it, 3 game-changing AI image generators that you can try right now. Each one has its own vibe, but they all share one thing. They'll revolutionize how you create images. Which one do you think you'll try first? If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and make sure to subscribe for more content on AI tools and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.